Imagine waking up one day with a sudden pain in your chest, rushing to the hospital, and before the doctor even tells you what happened, you are handed a bill worth thousands of dollars. Now imagine the same situation again, but this time, the bill is almost completely paid for, and you walk out without fear or stress. What changed? Only one thing: health insurance. And today, I'm going to explain health insurance in the USA in such simple and clear words that by the time you finish this video, you will understand exactly how it works, why it matters, and how you can choose the best plan for yourself or your family. So stay with me, because the information you are about to learn can literally save you thousands of dollars in the future. Health insurance in the USA isn't just a card in your wallet. It is a financial shield that protects you from the extremely high cost of medical treatment. In America, a simple doctor visit or test can cost more than an entire month's salary in some countries. One day in the hospital can cost more than a luxury vacation. And this is exactly why health insurance exists. When you have health insurance, you pay a fixed amount every month to an insurance company. And in return, they cover most of your medical bills when you need care. It's like teaming up with a powerful partner who shares your health expenses so they don't destroy your savings. To really understand how health insurance works, let's talk about some basic terms in very simple language. The first term is premium. This is the monthly amount you pay to keep your insurance active. Even if you never visit a doctor that month, you still pay the premium, just like paying for Wi-Fi or a subscription. The next term is deductible. This is the amount you must pay yourself before your insurance starts helping. For example, if your deductible is $1,000, then some services require you to pay that amount first. After that, your insurance begins sharing the cost with you. Then there is the copay, which is a small fixed fee you pay when visiting a doctor, like $20 or $30. Another term is coinsurance, which means you and the insurance company share the costs and percentages. Maybe you pay 20% and the insurance pays 80%. Finally, there is the out-of-pocket maximum. Once you reach this limit in a year, your insurance covers 100% of the rest of your medical expenses. Now the question is, where do people in the USA get their insurance from? One of the most common ways is through an employer. Most companies offer health insurance to their employees, and the employer pays part of the monthly premium. This makes the total cost much cheaper than buying it alone. Another source is government programs like Medicare, which is for people aged 65 and older or those with disabilities, and Medicaid, which helps low-income families. Then there is the marketplace, created under the Affordable Care Act, where people can buy insurance directly. Depending on your income, the government may even help pay for your premium. Some people also choose private insurance by contacting companies directly. Then there is the copay, which is a small fixed fee you pay when visiting a doctor, like $20 or $30. Another term is coinsurance, which means you and the insurance company share the costs and percentages. Maybe you pay 20% and the insurance pays 80%. Finally, there is the out-of-pocket maximum. Once you reach this limit in a year, your insurance covers 100% of the rest of your medical expenses. Now the question is, where do people in the USA get their insurance from? One of the most common ways is through an employer. Most companies offer health insurance to their employees, and the employer pays part of the monthly premium. This makes the total cost much cheaper than buying it alone. Another source is government programs like Medicare, which is for people aged 65 and older or those with disabilities, and Medicaid, which helps low-income families. Then there is the marketplace, created under the Affordable Care Act, where people can buy insurance directly. Depending on your income, the government may even help pay for your premium. Some people also choose private insurance by contacting companies directly. Choosing the right health insurance plan is one of the most important financial decisions in the USA. The first thing you need to think about is your health needs. If you don't visit doctors often, a plan with a low monthly premium but a high deductible might work. But if you have regular doctor visits, medical conditions, or take medicines frequently, then a plan with a higher premium but a lower deductible may save you more money. You also need to look at the network. An insurance network is a list of doctors and hospitals that your insurance company works with. Staying in-network saves you a lot of money. Going out of network can cost double or even triple sometimes. So always check if your preferred doctor or hospital is in the network of the plan you choose. Another important point is prescription coverage. Medicines in the USA can be shockingly expensive, so make sure the plan you choose helps pay for your medications. Many beginners don't realize that health insurance also provides preventive care at no extra cost. This includes annual checkups, vaccinations, screenings, and other services that help you stay healthy. The insurance company does this because preventing sickness is cheaper than treating it later. So with health insurance, you get access to regular health monitoring without paying extra, which helps catch problems early before they turn into emergencies. Once you get health insurance, using it is very simple. You show your insurance card when you visit a clinic or hospital. They confirm your details and bill the insurance company directly. After the visit, you may get a small bill depending on your copay or deductible. You can view all details online in your insurance company's portal. Every plan comes with a summary of benefits, which explains what is covered and what isn't. Reading this helps you avoid surprise bills. Another thing every beginner must understand is the difference between in-network and out-of-network. In-network doctors have agreements with your insurance company, so they charge less and insurance pays more. Out-of-network doctors are not connected with your insurance, so they charge more and insurance pays less or nothing. Emergency rooms are slightly different. Even if the hospital is out-of-network, insurance often covers emergency treatment because emergencies are unpredictable. But later follow-up visits might not be covered, so it's important to double-check. There are also different plan types in the USA like HMO, PPO, EPO, and POS. HMO plans require you to choose a primary doctor and get referrals for specialists. They cost less, but are limited. PPO plans give you freedom to visit any doctor without referrals, even out of network, but they cost more. EPO and POS plans fall in between. The best plan depends on your health, your budget, and how much flexibility you need. Healthcare costs in America are rising every year, which makes health insurance more important than ever. It doesn't only protect you in emergencies, it helps with everyday needs like doctor visits, lab tests, mental health services, maternity care, and sometimes even dental and vision, depending on your plan. Many people avoid doctors because they fear the cost, but that fear disappears when you have insurance. In the end, health insurance in the USA may look complicated from the outside, but once you understand the basics, it becomes much easier. You pay a monthly amount, and in return, your insurance company helps pay your medical bills. Learning these terms, understanding your options, and choosing the right plan protects your health and your wallet. Whether you're already living in the USA or planning to move, knowing how health insurance works will save you money and stress. With the right plan, you can live with peace of mind, knowing you are protected from the unexpected.